I generated one song with Suno, one with MusicGPT, listened to both, and honestly, I couldn't decide which one I liked more, so I did what most people never do. I generated 10 more tracks with the exact same prompts just to see if the first result was a fluke. Right away, I noticed these tools have completely different personalities. MusicGPT felt more experimental. Sometimes it surprised me in a good way. Other times, it missed the mood completely. Suno felt more consistent. It didn't always create my favorite song, but it rarely gave me something I'd immediately delete. Then I tried something that actually mattered. Instead of listening with headphones for fun, I dropped the songs into YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. That changed everything. A track that sounded amazing by itself didn't always work once it was sitting under a video. That's something I hadn't expected. One thing kept happening. Whenever I gave both tools a really specific prompt with instruments, tempo, emotion, even the type of vocalist, the quality jumped. When I got lazy and wrote something like make a pop song, both tools gave me pretty average results. Turns out the prompt mattered almost as much as the AI. Here's where my opinion changed. I started this test expecting to pick one winner. I couldn't. For cinematic music, emotional tracks, and songs that felt more polished, I kept leaning towards Suno. But when I wanted fresh ideas or I was experimenting with different styles, MusicGPT was simply more fun to use. It surprised me more often, even if not every surprise was a good one. As for pricing, don't buy either one because someone on YouTube says it's the best. Buy the one that fits how often you actually create music. If you're publishing content every day, the subscription can pay for itself pretty quickly. If you're just making songs for fun, the free plans might be all you need. So, which AI makes better music? I don't think that's the right question anymore. The better question is which one makes the kind of music you actually need. For me, I'd probably keep both. Suno for reliability, music, GPT when I want to experiment. If this review helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.